How to get your child to listen without yelling. Sometimes, the loudest sound in the home isn't the yelling, it's the silence that follows. That pause after a mother raises her voice and wishes she hadn't. We never planned to yell. It just happens, the shouting, the guilt, the tears that follow. You tell yourself, tomorrow, I'll be calmer. But tomorrow comes, and the cycle repeats. Deep down, we don't want to control our children through fear. We want to guide them with connection. We want them to listen not because they're scared, but because they trust us. Today, let's walk a gentler path, one rooted in mercy, awareness, and prophetic wisdom. Because when you understand what's really happening beneath the yelling, you'll learn to lead your child's heart, not just their behavior. Yelling doesn't make children listen, it makes them fear being unheard. We yell not because we hate our children, but because we feel unheard, unseen, or overwhelmed. Yelling is a symptom, not the problem itself. You're tired, running late, cleaning endlessly, and no one seems to listen. You raise your voice, not out of malice but desperation. But yelling doesn't bring order, it brings distance. The Prophet said, "The strong man is not the one who can overpower others, but the one who controls himself when angry." Bukhari and Muslim. Anger isn't strength, calmness is. When you yell, your child's brain doesn't hear the message, it hears danger. Their heart races, their body tenses. They go into fight, flight, or freeze. In that moment, learning shuts down, connection breaks. Children don't learn better through fear, they just learn to hide their mistakes. So by mercy from Allah, you were lenient with them. And if you had been rude in speech or harsh in heart, they would have disbanded from around you. Quran 3:159. Mercy gathers hearts, harshness scatters them. Children listen best when they feel safe, seen, and valued, when they feel respected, not controlled. Listening begins with connection, not command. Your child isn't born to disobey, they're wired to follow connection. If connection weakens, resistance grows. When love is felt, cooperation blooms. The Prophet met children with smiles, kind words, and gentleness. He never demanded obedience, he inspired it. Connection first, correction later. When we nag or over-explain, children tune out. Their brains simply can't hold that much at once. Keep instructions short, clear, calm. One task, one tone, one connection. Example, instead of, "How many times do I have to tell you to clean up your toys?" Try, "Let's put the toys in the basket together." Less talk, more connection. Children listen when they trust your consistency, not your volume. If you always repeat yourself or give in, they learn to wait for your shout. Calm follow-through is stronger than loud threats. Example, if it's bedtime and your child resists, don't yell. Say, "It's time to rest, sweetheart. You can choose your story, or I'll choose one for you." Boundaries can be gentle and firm. The Prophet ﷺ said, "Be gentle, for gentleness is never in a thing, but that it beautifies it." Muslim. Gentleness is strength with grace. When your child is melting down, logic won't reach them. Their brain is flooded with emotion. This is not the time to lecture. It's the time to connect. Stay close. Stay calm. Your calm is the safety their brain needs. After the storm passes, then guide. The Prophet ﷺ would pause when angry, make wudu, and sit in silence. He taught us to calm first, act later, regulate first, teach after. Sometimes yelling isn't about your child. It's about you feeling unseen, unheard, unsupported. Maybe you grew up in a home where yelling was the only voice of control, but in motherhood, we get to rewrite that story. Allah does not burden a soul beyond what it can bear. Quran 2:86. You are capable of breaking the cycle. Every calm breath you take is worship. You're not failing, you're healing generations. Before you discipline, connect. A child corrected in disconnection learns to fear. A child corrected through connection learns to trust. Practical step. When they misbehave, first get close, make eye contact, use their name softly, then say what needs to be said with calm firmness. Connection opens ears. Yelling closes hearts. Sometimes your child's behavior is a reaction to overstimulation, not defiance. Too much noise, clutter, or screen time can overwhelm their nervous system. Simplify, set gentle rhythms, not rigid rules. Indeed, Allah loves those who are balanced. Quran 7:31. Peaceful spaces nurture peaceful hearts. Children mirror what they see. If your tone rises, theirs will too. If you stay calm, they learn calmness as language. It draws children in. Yelling pushes them away. The believer is not one who curses or raises his voice in indecency. Tirmidhi. Your calm is your child's classroom. Words shape souls. Instead of, you never listen, try, I know you can do this, insha'Allah. Children rise to the expectations we whisper into them. Rabbi Ishra li sadri, wa yassir li amri. My Lord, expand for me my chest and ease my task. Quran 20:25-26. Every calm word is an act of worship. You will still yell sometimes, you will lose patience, and that's okay, because repair is more powerful than perfection. Go back to your child, apologize, show them that love can rise after mistakes. Even the Prophet ﷺ said, the best of you are those who are best to their families. Tirmidhi, you don't need to be perfect, just present. Dear sister, yelling may have been your past, but calm can be your legacy. Your child doesn't need a perfect mother. They need a present one. They need your warmth, your dua, your mercy. Each calm word you speak is sadaqah. Each patient breath is ibadah. So breathe, smile. And remember, you can get your child to listen without ever raising your voice. Raise your words, not your voice. It is rain that grows flowers, not thunder. Parent with calm. Lead with mercy. Grow with Allah. Mindful Muslimah Haven. Subscribe to Mindful Muslimah Haven for more soulful reminders on conscious motherhood, prophetic parenting, and emotional healing.